Hi, how are you? I just wanted to do a testimonial here for a course, an Irish course I did over the last 2 years with John. Yeah, I just found it amazing. I was just doing a master's in education and I hadn't done Irish in 30 years. So, like, I had got good enough results actually in the Irish, in the Leavingcertirish, but like I hadn't used Irish in 30 years and I had no basics. Like, I couldn't, I literally didn't know, like, Quayle, Lahan, like the basics. I'd know, like, no, I'm sure it's like the tenses and all that. Didn't have a clue, like, hadn't a clue really, like. But yeah. So I had tried 5 different people before I came to John, because they're all going at a higher level. And yeah. So I came to John, then he just broke it down from the basics, like, So no question was like too simple for him, like, and then like he increased my confidence throughout the 2 years, and so much so actually the best result I got in the course was in Irish. Like, I did really well, like, and I didn't do well in nothing else, like. So yeah, like, it was really good. So just he helped me throughout the whole course, like from the very start, just doing the tenses with us first, and then helped me through the assignments. And it was really good, like, just having that support. And I could contact him anytime through the course, like, just asking him, like, like, just like what different things means, or just little things, like, he'd come back to me and answer straight away. And like, we met him, like there's a group of us in it, like, we met him on Zoom like once a week. So it was just brilliant, just having that support. And then when we were too busy during the course, like, he'd like work around our timetable. So if we wouldn't be able to, like, if I was out in school and on placement for 10 weeks, like, he'd say, okay, fine, we'll start again then. And if I wanted extra sessions, then he gives extra sessions, like, So, like, he couldn't be more flexible. Like, my Irish, like, come on, leaps and bounds, like, and I'd be concerned, like, if I didn't have him, like, I wouldn't have passed Irish, as opposed to getting, like, a really high result, So I couldn't recommend him enough, to be honest. Yeah. So yeah, thanks very much. Bye.